Wonderland view. We have a sunny day today. Hyde Park Winter backing up
That's beautiful.
around. So, first corner, and I want to hear scream. Whoop, another corner, and I want to hear a big scream. That's it. Right, left, another one. With other short left, another one.
You've done this before?
Yes, I'm the manager. And another one.
Are you really?
Yes.
No way. Love this ride. Oh, it's lovely to meet you.
That's a good one.
No trims. Love it.
I'm doing the same. So now it's coming to Hyde Park. On the next drop, smile! Smile! We go small down, small up, down, up,
Wow.
and
Airtime. Woo.
and there's another small drop.
Woo.
And that's it. This was it, our funny ride. Hopefully you enjoy it.
Are you doing this all day then?
Only with the favorite customer. She was 4 times on the ride.
Full time? No way. Thank you. Have a good day.
I get
Thank you.